Hey there, it's Eddie for Watch Before You Buy, and today we are talking about ZKCREATION W3 Smartwatch. Today is 17 November 2021, and the price of the smartwatch is $45 US. The watch comes in black and gold colors. This is how the box looks like, and in the box beside the watch you will find the charging cable, instructions and few screen protectors. The watch has 0.86-inch screen. On the right side it has a button, while on the other side in the middle we can see sensors and magnetic charging pins. The straps are made out of silicone and its width is 20 mm. You can easily exchange them thanks to the quick release mechanism. The watch weight is 27 grams without the straps and 41 grams with. To see the watch face, turn the wrist, or you can also press the button. When you turn the wrist or press the button, the watch face will stay visible for 5 seconds by default. This can be changed to 10 or 15 seconds. While on the watch face, if you tap and hold, the watch will take you to the watch face menu, where you can choose one out of 3 default watch faces. While on the watch face, if you swipe left, it will take you to your activity data, where you have your steps, distance and calories spent on this day. Then we have the heart rate app. This app will measure your heart rate every 10 minutes automatically, and it will also measure your heart rate every time you open the app. Then we have the training app, where we have 17 training modes. This is how the running mode looks like. You have your steps, distance and calories here. If you swipe right, you can pause or end the workout here. Next on the list is the weather app, which gives you your current weather and maximum and minimum for this day. And the last tab here gives you your sleep data, where you can see how long did you sleep last night, light and deep sleep. While on the watch face, if you press the button, it will take you to the app list. Here you have your stopwatch on the first place. This app uses the Bluetooth connection to control your media on the phone. Next on the list are the dials. We have already saw this. Then we have the brightness controls. This is level 1 out of 4. Next is Find My Phone feature. This app uses your Bluetooth connection to find your phone and make it ring. And the last 3 things here are info, turn off the watch and reset. While on the watch face, if you swipe down, it will take you to the quick access menu. Here we have Find My Phone feature. Then we have quick access to the stopwatch and also quick access to the app list. Swipe up to go to the notifications. Here you can see your missed calls and messages. When you get a message via internet, the watch will vibrate and show you the message. Now if we go to the app, here we have all of our data like steps, distance, calories spent on this day. Below we have our heart rate, automatic measurements and our sleep data. If you go to the device, here we have all standard things. So if you go to the app reminder, here you can see the list of apps from which you can get notifications. Automatic heart rate monitoring can be disabled. We can set up to 3 alarms here and disable turn wrist awake and vibration during the sleep. Now before I finish with the app, there is one more important thing here to mention, and that is shake to take picture. This app allows you to take photos with your front and back camera with your watch. All you need to do is to shake your wrist. Alright, with this I'm pretty much done with all the features. Now the only thing left to do is to do some tests. The first test is the raise to wake feature. This test demonstrates the speed of your hand movement detection. The watch response can be sometimes a little bit slow, but overall I would say it works really good. When it comes to the screen, you can see it has really good viewing angles. The touch responsiveness is good. When it comes to the transitions, they are quite smooth. I didn't see any problems here. When it comes to Find My Phone feature, what I found is that if your phone is in the visibility line, you can detect it easily from the distance of 30 feet or 10 meters. I've also managed to detect my phone in another room through a thin wall. The next test I did was an alarm vibration test. I wanted to see if the vibration is strong enough to kick you out of the sleep. And what I found is that the vibration is quite strong, and I believe that it will successfully wake you up. Now when it comes to the step counter, I did 3 tests. The first one was for 100 steps and the watch recorded 111 steps. In the second test I did 500 steps and the watch recorded 515 steps. While in the third test I did 1000 steps, where the watch recorded 1003 steps. When it comes to the battery life, I couldn't do a proper test as all battery information I have is this icon here, but from what I saw it looks like you'll get about a week of battery life for normal use. Charging time takes about 2 hours. This smartwatch comes with IP68 resistance rating, which means that it has dust and sand resistance, and that it was tested for water resistance by putting it at least for 30 minutes under the water in the depth of up to 1 meter. I did my 30 minutes underwater test, and the watch has passed the test. To test the heart rate, I'll be using the pulse oximeter. I did 7 different tests in a span of a few days, and here are my results. 5 out of 7 tests were correct. And with this, I'm done with all of my tests. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Catch you guys later.